Hello and welcome back. My name is Emmanuel, and in this video we'll be creating our SCCM server, which will be the third server for this series. So click on virtual machines. In the last two videos we've created two virtual machines. So talking through in this tutorial, going into the SCCM estate. So in this video, yes, we pick our resource group. Again, what's going to be the name for this? I said it's going to be the SCCM server. So I'll just say let me primary. So SCCMP as P stands for primary. Scroll down. Remember, we need to pick a resource, a region that will give us what we want. So east that. Our server, let's make it 20. We could pick a 2016 data center, but let's just continue by making a Windows Server 2019. And that we'll keep it on this for now. We'll change it if we need to cut down cost. Scroll down and let's enter details we need. Again. Lovely. Coming down. Yes, allow. And remember, we want port 3389. That could be an interview question that's used for your remote desktop. So, yep. So let's move on. Let's create the disk. That's fine. We can just attach a disk. Leave it on the default 1 terabyte disk. That's okay. Network doesn't matter because we've already laid the foundation. Yep, that's fine. Next, now we need management. Management here, what we need to pick is the boot diagnostic. So click on turn it off. I will click on next. But I'll pick next. Yes. Tags. There's no need. And we just preview and create. Nice and easy. Click and create and will automatically create our virtual machine. We'll be ready for deployment. And finally, after this, in the next video, we'll be creating our client, or what I regard as our workstation. So in here, I'll click on refresh, and there you go. And here you have it. See you in the next video. Thank you.